Whether you're a beginner DJ looking for a simple 2-channel mixer to learn on, or an old hand searching for a specialist scratch mixer or boutique rotary, mixers are, quite literally, the centerpiece of any DJ booth. The thing that allows tracks to be mixed and manipulated. It's the mixer that separates a DJ setup from a home music system. Since they're so important, it's worth really considering what you need and what you can get for your budget. The DJ mixer marketplace is jam-packed with competitive items, all aiming to out-reproduce one another at a lower price. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. The additional information and buying links for all the featured products can be found in the video description below. Designed for the professional turntablist or casual DJ, the black DIF-2S 2-channel DJ mixer from DJ Tech features several updates from the original DIF-1S, including channel fader curve and reverse. It is equipped with the Audio to Innovate Mini Inno Fader as the crossfader, which provides a smooth yet robust feeling for scratch DJs. The contactless design gives a long life of over 4 million cycles. Also, the cut-in position is user adjustable with simple calibration steps, while the reverse switch allows DJs to perform a variety of scratch techniques. It features a 3-band equalizer per channel, a microphone input, both 6.35mm and 3.5mm headphone outputs, a master output, and a booth output with dedicated volume control. You can rapidly switch between traditional vinyl setup and DVS setup without reconnecting the cables. Its timecode mode allows easy switching between the ordinary turntable and DVS setup. The extra pairs of timecode send and return RCA connectors enable DJs to connect to an audio interface, such as the SL3 for Serato. The Allen & Heath X1 23 2+2 channel DJ mixer is designed for both professional and home DJ applications, such as at a party or in the club. It features an enhanced version of Allen & Heath's X1 voltage-controlled filter system with resonance control. For input/output, the mixer includes 2 pairs of RCA line inputs with 2 pairs of RCA phono inputs. The mixer has 2 faders. Each of the 4 data has an independent level control to enable playing up to 4 simultaneous sources in the mix. The front panel of the unit includes a balanced XLR input for connecting a microphone with level, high frequency, and low frequency equalizer controls. Also, it has a 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch headphone connector that enables queuing with a wide variety of DJ headphones. It has an illuminated button for engaging the low-pass filter, a frequency selector knob for the screen, and a VCA resonance control knob to go from mild to wild. The Roland DJ12 is an advanced 12-inch vinyl motorized control turntable and DJ control system designed to work with the Serato DJ Pro software. The motorized platter offers 3,600 ticks of resolution per single vinyl revolution, bringing precision music file playback with digital performance accuracy. It can be customized even further with the DJ's own choice of slip mat/butter rug. The simple control elements are easy to use with 4 deck select buttons and a multi-function touch strip for track searching and setting/triggering hot cues. On the other hand, its top panel rotary and traditional motor off switch allows for classic wind down effects. Moreover, it uses a 5.0 kfcm high torque motor with high/low torque adjusts for more traditional setups. The Traktor Control Z2 from Native Instruments is a control mixer that features 2 stereo input channels and 2 stereo output channels. But its plentiful connectivity offers far beyond that. It is ergonomic and spacious, with a level fader, 3-band EQ section, and chunky filter knob per channel. The 24-bit sound card features Cirrus Logic converters and XLR outputs that provide low-noise audio. Its aircraft-grade aluminum chassis features extensive control with knobs, buttons, push encoders, and inno faders. Its backlit buttons provide precise visual feedback, while the built-in powered USB hub adds connectivity for 2 add-on controllers, such as the Control F1 or X1. You can use the multicolored cue-point trigger buttons to jump through and re-edit your tracks on the fly. Another advantage is that the flux mode tracks the time while you're looping and lets you drop back in at the right moment. Moving on, we have the Allen & Heath X1 96. It is updated with a dual 32-bit/96 kHz sound card with 2 USB connections for up to 24 channels of input/output. There are 2 independent headphone amplifier circuits with 1/4-inch and 1/8-inch connections that, when combined with the 2 separate sound cards, allow for some back-to-back severe sessions and seamless DJ transitions. The classic dual VFC filters offer frequency cutoff and resonance controls. Moreover, it is packed with sonic and performance-enhancing features that include a powerful 4-band EQ on channels 1 through 4 and a 3-band parametric EQ on channels A and B. Additional features include user-replaceable 60mm VCA channel faders and a replaceable inno fader mini crossfader. It is a professional DJ mixer and is designed to surpass the expectations of the most demanding professional DJs. The black Pioneer DJM 900 NXS2 is a professional DJ mixer, well suited for professional mobile DJs, nightclub installations, recording studios, and more. It features a 4-channel layout and an integrated USB sound card with support for up to 4 stereo channels of 24-bit/96 kHz audio. Its digital throughput also delivers a wide variety of DSP effects. There are 4 inputs for turntables and 4 line-level inputs for digital decks. You can use the large X pad to engage 14 different types of beat FX and adjust the parameters with just 1 finger. However, it offers a built-in USB sound card that allows simultaneous input/output of stereo signals from 4 ins and 5 outs, while 96 kHz/24-bit high sampling processing ensures audio quality. You can add echo to the vocals or double the rhythm of the hi-hat with the touch of a button. Another advantage is that it has a redesigned clip indicator that improves the gain structure to ensure your meters don't go into the red too early. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.